Hi, I'm here to talk to you about Ceramic Pro for protecting natural stone. There's so many challenges in protecting natural stone and so many variations of stone, but we believe we've found the right processes to give you the best protection available. Come over here, I'll show you a couple of instances of different types of stone and what Ceramic Pro can offer you. So here we have your white stone, and we're going to show an example using a Sharpie marker, applying it to the coated side and the uncoated side, and you'll see the difference. And here we have some black marble. When Ceramic Pro is applied, although it's not perfect, it is the best protection available and makes it so much easier to clean it and maintain it. So zoom in here, I'll show you the effects of the Sharpie marker. And on the treated side, you'll see that the Sharpie marker will actually basically bead off because there's no available pores for the Sharpie to be able to bond to. On the untreated side, you'll see that the stain is actually much more visible right away. And now that it's even just had a couple of seconds here to dry, I'll show you wiping the, I'll wipe the untreated side first. You can see that even with fairly aggressive wiping, even with some water sprayed on it, the stain remains. And on the treated side, you can basically wipe this stain right off. And here, what we're going to demonstrate is somewhat of the self-cleaning effect, the water behavior, the water beading. And so as I spray it on here, you'll see the very tight beads and how they simply just roll right off. You can see how that would make the stone so much easier to maintain, easier to clean, and much less likely to be stained. Thanks so much for watching and learning more about Ceramic Pro on natural stone.